Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is sponsored by CurlsCurls. Okay, I'm going to show you guys their coily clip ins, but before we go into this video, let me talk to you guys about CurlsCurls Black Friday sales. This is the largest discount of the year, guys. You have opportunity to win a free wig, and also they'll be sending out free gifts to people. All you have to do is join their live show and win for yourself free gifts, and also follow them on Instagram at CurlsCurls Official. Okay, you can go to their website and search for products that you want to buy and get them at a discounted price, guys. This is an opportunity for you to get that wig or that clip ins, okay, that hair at a very discounted price. You guys, you don't want to miss this. This is a big opportunity for you guys to grab. Okay, all details to their hair will be in my description box as always, so do wait to check my description box for more details on these gorgeous clip ins I'm having here. For the top part of this hair, I am going to cover it up in a way that it is going to be beautiful. So just relax and watch to the end of this video, so you will see how I actually covered it up just to make it look flawless. Okay.
creative imagination began with a new art form. Makes me feel I belong to something.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations.
With these clip-ins from CurlsCurls, you can rock it to anywhere and with any style you want to do. See, you can do any style at all. When I say any style at all you want to do, you can do it with these coily clip-ins from CurlsCurls. And also, all details to these clip-ins from CurlsCurls will be in my description box, like I said before. So check my description box for more details on these clip-ins from CurlsCurls. Guys, this hair is gorgeous. I love this clip-ins and I love this color mix. It is beautiful and this hairstyle is lovely, guys. Let me know in the comment section what your take on this is, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Expectations, they keep weighing me down.